In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write effective Etsy titles and tags. If you're looking to enhance your online presence and attract more shoppers to your Etsy store, you've clicked on the right video. First, let's head over to Etsy. It's a vibrant marketplace for handmade, vintage, custom, and unique products. You can explore the Etsy platform to familiarize yourself with its diverse offerings if you're not already well acquainted. Now, on to the crucial first step, keyword research. This is a foundational aspect of crafting strong product titles and tags on Etsy. Begin by putting yourself in the shoes of a buyer. What words or phrases might they use to look for a product like yours? These are the keywords that will help buyers find you. Next, let the Etsy search bar guide you. Start typing in keywords you believe hold potential value. Pay attention to the suggestions that pop up. These are indicators of popular search terms within the marketplace. Analyzing competitors can also shed light on successful keywords. Check out similar products and observe the keywords other sellers use. Additionally, strategic tools like Etsy's keyword tool or third-party options such as Sales Samurai can be incredibly helpful. These tools assist in pinpointing popular and relevant keywords essential for maximizing your product's exposure. With your keywords in hand, it's time to construct your product titles. Always begin with the most vital keywords. Placing them at the onset of your title ensures they gain the most visibility. Your titles should be concise yet descriptive, carefully balancing clarity and informativeness to accurately encapsulate your product. Consider including important aspects like color, size, or material if they apply. Readability is key here. It's crucial that your title remains straightforward and doesn't come off as overly stuffed with keywords. It's also wise to steer clear of repeating the same words unnecessarily for better readability and keyword effectiveness. Lastly, make the most of the available character limit. Fill out the title space as much as you can, ensuring it sounds natural to the audience. After perfecting the titles, dive into creating your tags. Etsy allows up to 13 tags per listing, so take full advantage of this feature. Your tags are a fantastic opportunity to expand on your title keywords and add some variety. Prioritize long tail keywords, which are longer and more specific phrases buyers might use. Incorporate Etsy's descriptive attributes such as size or color. These act as supplementary tags. Similar to your titles, avoid repeating keywords in your tags. To wrap up, let's illustrate with an example. Suppose you're listing a handmade ceramic mug with a floral motif. A captivating title would be Floral Ceramic Mug, Handmade Pottery, Coffee Mug, Unique Gift. Your tags might include ceramic mug, floral mug, handmade mug, pottery mug, coffee cup, unique gift, hand painted, flower design, kitchenware, teacup, gift for her, birthday gift, and housewarming gift. Remember, crafting effective titles and tags is not just about visibility, it's about ensuring that the right customers find your truly unique products.